it's Sam's. So I just got back. Me and the kids were out all day. The initial plan, other than going to Target, was to go to Ollie's, I think it's Ollie's Bargain Outlet or something. Jay was telling me about it and he's like, oh, I just read about it. And it's like a place where they like buy up a bunch of stores that are closing and it's like super good prices. You should go check it out and maybe do a video. Well, it wasn't great luck there. So I was planning on doing like a what you can find at Ollie's, but it was great as far as books. Like if you want books and just like random stuff, it's awesome. But I was thinking it was more of like a TJ Maxx type store and there was nothing like cutesy cutes. So great for kids books, great for books in general, cookbooks, that kind of stuff. They have food, they have like all sorts of stuff, a ton of rugs. But as far as like just stuff that I wanted, I didn't really find much. But I did find a really cute book for my sister for her baby. It's called Baby Bear, and this was only $3.99, which I thought was a really good deal. Lily wanted this little pony activity book. And then I got some peach and almond cream scent Dawn dish soap, which was only $1.99. So I thought that was pretty good. And then the rest of the stuff is all from Target. So Phoenix has had another growth spurt. And Lily just, I don't know where all of her leggings go. I know what happens. I buy her ones with sparkles and she doesn't like them and then she never has any leggings. So I'll start off with the stuff I got for Lily, which wasn't much because she really like doesn't need a whole lot. She has a lot of clothes. Whereas Phoenix like has grown out of all the clothes that I got him. So for Lily, they had these really cute little t-shirts for Valentine's Day at Target. So that one's got little kitty cats, and then she picked out these really cute, their legging selection wasn't great. I'm not super happy with the leggings at Target for little girls right now. It's all so blue. So these ones are like neon pink and gray. I just wanted like some neutral colors, but they didn't have it. Everything was so colorful. Then I just got a pair of black ones. These ones are really cute with the little unicorns on them. So that's everything that I got for Lily. So like I said, not much, but she doesn't really need a whole lot, whereas Phoenix is like ankle swingers on everything he's wearing, and then his shirts are like coming up and showing everything. So I'm like, okay, this is ridiculous. So for Phoenix, I just went to the clearance section and they had everything 50% off, 70% off, which was great. So I got this really nice little zip up hoodie, and it's like all kind of like faux Sherpa inside, or faux Sherpa. I don't know why I said that. Yeah, it's faux Sherpa, right? I don't know what it's called. But anyway, it's just like a nice little red hoodie. This one was on sale for $9, originally $18.99, which I thought was a great deal. This one, which doesn't have that cozy like lining, but it's still fleece, just like a nice little zip up, for $5. I feel like when kids are growing this fast, I do not want to spend an absolute fortune on their clothes, because I buy them a bunch of stuff and then like within a few months they're already too small, especially Phoenix. He just keeps growing and growing and it's just like, oh man. So I just figured I would just go in the clearance section, because probably within 3 months these will all be too small anyway. So this one is by Art Class, originally $11.99. I got it for $3.58. And then this one, originally $9.99, I got it for $4.98, and this is the Art Class as well. I like the Art Class stuff. I think it's really nice. This one, originally $9.99. I got it on clearance for $6.98. It's got like little stripes and then a little pocket. And then these t-shirts weren't on sale, but they're all just like $4, which I thought was great. They're just the Cat and Jack, so I got him 2 plain white ones. So 1 long sleeve and then 1 short sleeve. And then I got him this little kind of, I like these ones. They look really nice. It's got a little V-neck, it's got a little pocket, nice blue. I got him this nice little V-neck burgundy one. And then this one's kind of like, I don't know, it's kind of like a creamy beigey color with like all these different colors, and it's long sleeve, which I thought was kind of nice. And then I also got him just a plain black t-shirt. He has like a really long torso, I feel like, and so what happens is that I feel like he just is so long, so then his tummy and his butt is always showing and it's so irritating. He has like no butt, so then his pants like fall down all day long, and then his torso is just really long. So I'm like, dude, everyone is staring at your butt, like pull your pants up. It drives me insane. It's like such a struggle. Like for years, he just will not pull his pants up. I'm about to get him some suspenders. So this is a little burgundy hoodie or zip up, $5 on clearance. And then I found these pants. These are kind of like almost feel, or I don't know what the feel is. Is it like tweed? I'm not really sure, but it's just a little skinny drawstring pant. They're normally $16.99. I got them on sale for $8, and they have like the little cuff, and they're just like the comfortable kinds. I did get him a couple pairs of like actual jeans and like pants. We'll see if he wears them. He's gotten pickier. This is called the skinny jogger, stretch jogger. So they're like jeans, but they're just kind of a little bit more comfortable, and they're like that really nice burgundy color. These are originally $16. I got them for $11. And then last but not least, I got these pair of jeans, but these are really soft. They almost feel like kind of like jeggings, you know what I mean? And then they have like the little cuff. And then they have the little drawstring as well. So I feel like those will be nice and comfortable. They're not like real jeans, but they look like jeans, and then he won't be complaining about how uncomfortable he is. So that's everything that I got. So for everything that I got here that I just showed you as far as the Target stuff, it was $135, which I think is actually pretty good for like all of those clothes. I mean, I basically got him like a whole new wardrobe really, because I got what, 3 pairs of pants, yeah, and then 3, 1, 2, 3, I think 3, or was it 4 sweaters, and then a bunch of shirts. So I'm pretty happy with that. Good old clearance. So if you want to go to Target, I highly recommend you go, because they have clearance on women's stuff. They have clearance on all of the clothes, because obviously they're trying to make more room for the new collections, which I'm dying for. I just need some new collections from Target in my life. I was taking a peek at stuff they had, but like everything shows your stomach, because my hips are so like, woo! I don't want it to just like draw attention. And I feel like when things are cropped shorter, it's just like, hi, you have humongous hips. And it's just like one of those things where I think when you grew up, when I did, everybody was just so like, it was not cool to have hips. Everyone had a tiny little butt, and everyone was just so tiny and skinny and little. And then all of a sudden it's like cool to have big hips and a big butt. But I'm still in that mind frame of like, we grew up when like Pamela Anderson and the Girls Next Door were popular, so everyone was just a stick. And then it's like when it's like stuck in your mind of like, okay, no, oh no, I'm not doing that. But then you're like, everybody else is. But then you're like, oh, but I feel weird. And then it's like an internal battle that you have with yourself about a crop top. So I didn't get any crop tops. I didn't get anything for me. It was just all about the kids today. And then of course I did pick up a couple of things at TJ Maxx, but I'm gonna be doing a separate TJ Maxx haul and like try on, and like, oh, I got some really awesome things from TJ Maxx. I'm so excited. It was like the best. That will be a complete separate video, and that will be on my main channel. So this is obviously going to be on my Sam and Fam channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely go check out clearance at Target right now if you have kids, or if you just need to pick up some stuff for yourself. They had so much stuff on clearance, guys. So thank you guys for watching. I love you guys all so much. I hope you guys all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.